If you want to get a live wallpaper on Realme GT 7T, all you have to do is, first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Now in the settings, open wallpapers and style, and then we want to open wallpapers. Over here you should be able to find the live section where we have different options. So for example, over here we can download this wallpaper, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So let's select it. In this case it is a blossom wallpaper, and it changes after some time apparently that we can set it up. And of course we can just press apply. We can set it to the lock screen, home screen, or both. And if we apply it, we should be able to see it. And there we go. This is how it looks like. I'm not sure if it's interactive or not, but I'm gonna also show you some other examples. So over here we have this cloudy thing. Let's apply it. And as you can see, it is moving a little bit. It seems to be also interactive with the pages, and so on and so forth. So I think my personal favorite is this one over here, which is quite simple, and it follows your touches on the screen, so it looks like this. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.